Hello everybody, coming at you with another how-to video. This one's just a simple arts and crafts how-to activity. It's great to do for the fall or winter or around the end of fall near winter. You're only going to need a few easy to find items. As you saw in the beginning there, pine cones, peanut butter, birdseed, and string. I went and found the pine cones, but you can buy them. Got the string at Walmart. It's cheap, only a couple bucks. It's all natural, biodegradable. The birds will actually eventually take it to use for nests, for building nests, or it'll just kind of fall apart over time with the wind and weather. You're going to start off by rolling the pine cones around in the peanut butter, get them nice and covered. And then you're going to do the same thing with the bird seed. Just get nice even cover all over it. Then you're going to take your string, as I'm going to display here in a minute, and you're going to take one end of it and make a loop to tie around the top of the pine cone. The other end you're going to leave loose, so that later on you can wrap that end around a tree branch to hang it from. It's just a nice, simple little meditative activity, and it's great for the birdies. Sometimes they have a little bit of trouble finding food in the snow, and getting down through the snow to find some food, and the ground gets all hard. So, I don't know, it's just a nice little activity, kind of a tradition for my family that we've done over the years. And that's about it. If you have any other questions, just put them in the comments section. And thanks for watching.